Hi guys, what's up? It's JeanitaMarieBlue, and today I'm here because I'm going to be showing you guys how to do various lock styles. I've been locked for about 8 months now, and I am just so in love with my locks, guys. Like, this has been the best hair decision I have ever made in my life. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, because on my channel I'll be showing you guys how to style your locks, how to care for your locks, and all things representing your unique self and your lock crown, and how you can best take care of you and yours. So you don't want to miss out when I post. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Today I'll be styling my locks for you. I went and I got a retwist about 2 weeks ago, and when I got my retwist, I also got curls for the very first time. So what I really loved about my curls is that they were really tight, and this allowed me to go about 2 weeks, and now my hair has stretched out. Our hair is so beautiful. Like, our hair is so beautiful. The things that it can do, the way that it can change, the way that it can grow is just so amazing to me. Okay, loves, let's get right into it. First thing that you want to do for this particular style is go ahead and grab a scrunchie, and you're going to put your hair up. Now, this style was requested by a subscriber, so shout out to you for requesting this style. I posted it in my stories, and she asked me to make this video, so here we are. Guys, know I do listen to you. So I'm just taking a scrunchie, and I'm putting the middle of my hair up. I kind of like to style my locks very sort of free. So this is kind of like a freestyle. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. If you wanted to make this neater and line out your parts, you definitely can do that, but I like the freeness of it. I'm taking this really pretty headband. I think accessories take things to the next level, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on this sparkly, really pretty headband to complete this look. And here we are, guys. This is our first style. So this is our first style. This was requested, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, here we go. Now moving on to our next hairstyle. Everyone locks are, really different. They're unique to ourselves. So for me personally, the locks in the back, guys, they never ever want to stay up. So I'll show you how to put those and fix those if you're like me and your locks kind of, they all don't fit into a ponytail. So this is a bang up ponytail, and so what I do for my free locks in the back that just kind of want to stay out, honestly, sometimes I think it's cute, I let them live. But if you want that nice clean look, just go ahead and take the locks, and you want to tuck those in between the other locks that are already up. Our hair is strong, and they will definitely hold each other up. So this is our next look. Very pretty. Here we go. Style number 3. Go ahead and shake your locks out. I am obsessed with my locks, guys. This is just, a simple style that you can do. Just go ahead and let your hair down. Like, obviously, this is sort of a go-to, but I think with the curls, it definitely adds a nice flair to it. And even if my hair was straight, letting your locks free and be, you can never go wrong with that. Like, this is a excellent style. So star number 4 is hair all the way down. Okay, here we go. Style number 5. We're going to take our hair and we're going to pull it out of our face. Sometimes we don't always want our hair touching our face, touching our skin. We want to go ahead and pull our hair back. So I'm just taking a ponytail. I grab the front of my hair, put that up, and this is our 5th look. This is really straightforward and super cute. I wanted to give you guys styles that anybody can do, and you can do literally within minutes. But you don't want to get bored with your locks. People say, oh, why did you get locks? You can't do anything with it. Who said that? Watch me slay all these styles. So here we go. Style number 6. I think this is really really kind of romantic. I don't know. It's something about like the hair going down to the side of the face that just gives me sort of romantic vibes. I don't know. Do you guys feel the same way? So I just do a deep side part, and I put all my hair to one side, and here she is. Yes, giving me life. And you know we can't just, we gotta jazz it up a little bit. So I'm going in with the black sparkly headband and I'm just putting that on, guys. This is really pretty. Honestly, if you're going on a date or on a special occasion, this will be a great style for you guys to do. And we're just gonna continue on with this endeavor. I believe we're on style number 7, but if I'm wrong, don't mind me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my hair all the way to the back. I'm gonna leave the front out just because I feel like it does something for me, guys. I love a bang. I love bangs. But if you wanted to pull all your hair back on this look, you definitely can. So I'm just taking a ponytail and doing a ponytail holder and doing a low pony and putting all my hair to one side. So this is a quick transition from our previous look. And this is just giving me jazzy energy, man. I love it. Now we're going to go ahead and bun this. So we're going to take that ponytail and we're going to put it in a low bun for style number 8. And again, accessories, just, you can literally change the vibe, change the look simply by adding accessories to your hair. So I'm going to go ahead and add this pearl clip. And, people, so many misconceptions about locks. Like they're not pretty, they're super like masculine. Like, first of all, who have you been talking to? Because I feel so beautiful and glamorous in my locks. Here we go. Style number 9. I am putting them up in a high pony. Yes. Now this is like free hair off my face, off my neck. Like this is like a great like gym style, or it can be really sassy. Honestly, you can't go wrong with locks. Like there's just no wrong answer. And again, I'm showing you guys how I am tucking my locks up, and I just really put them up and tuck them into the other locks. It's really simple. And if you haven't already, while you're watching these styles, did you subscribe to my channel? Because I'm coming through with all the lock videos, the lock styles, the lock maintenance, conversations about locks, and really just showing, each other like we're all beautiful. No matter what style we do, no matter how long or how short or how thick or how many locks we have, we're all beautiful. And so I'm just showing you guys some pretty little ways here. So this one is the locks all pulled to the back with a nice headband. I really like this look. This is sort of one of my go-to looks just because, hair out of my face but still down, giving me versatility, and I love versatility. Here we go. Style number 12. I'm going to go ahead and just put my locks into a bun on both sides. So left side bun, right side bun, and I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these. Now if you want to wear your locks out and not bun them, you can definitely do that. It's really up to you. And I just love this look. So this is our final look of the day. Comment down below, guys, which one was your favorite. Personally, I love them all, but comment down below and tell me which one you're gonna do. And if you haven't, go to my IG. Let's connect. Subscribe. I love you guys.
Those are some really quick, simple styles that you can do to style your locks. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. All right, guys, go ahead, continue to watch the rest of my videos to learn more about locks. My name is JeanitaMarieBlue, reminding you to be blessed, be beautiful, and most importantly, love be you. And if you guys have any questions, be sure to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. If you guys have any questions, be sure to comment down below and ask me, and let me know what's up with you guys. I really want to grow this tribe and build the connection with you. So definitely be sure to comment down below. Let me know where you guys are in your lock journey. Want to know where you guys are at, and we can share and connect like that. All right. One love. Peace.